Good morning, everybody. So we are on vacation. Today is going to be a full beach day. That is my sister in the background, who claims she doesn't want to be on camera, but obviously she does. This morning it's super early.
No, you have to start. I'm not in the video. Krista, you know.
You look for that.
This is what I deal with. This morning I'm prepping the burgers, and I'm going to be making a really quick, easy little Christmas pie. So if you guys saw my video the other day on how to make homemade vegan ground beef, you know all I do is add some better than bouillon to some boiling water, and I add that with some seasonings, and then I pour that over TVP, which is textured vegetable protein. Check out my video down below. It'll show you step by step exactly how to do it.
Now you can actually keep your money.
Okay, so once the broth is seasoned, you go ahead and you pour it over the TVP, and then you mix. And then you add more seasonings. As I always say, however you would season your meat for your burgers, that is how you season this.
And use it for delicious tacos or burgers.
Exactly. All right, so if you've ever tried TVP and for whatever reason you're like, oh, it's disgusting, it's just soy. So however you season it determines how it turns out. So it might sound like shade, but I'm just saying, it's just tofu. It's more than shading. I'm gonna put some more seasonings in this right now, cover it, put it in the fridge, and then I will form the burgers. All right, so it's been a couple hours. The kids are awake. We're getting ready to go to the beach, and I'm gonna show you how I make the dessert right now. Okay, so to make the dessert, all you need is a pre-made graham cracker crust and your favorite vegan ice cream. This is our favorite vegan ice cream, Haagen-Dazs non-dairy coconut caramel. So all you do is you let the ice cream thaw out for about, I would say 15 to 20 minutes. And then you go ahead and you pour it into the crust, just like that. Then you take a spatula and you smoothen everything out. Anyway, so this is how it looks once you've leveled it out. Then all you do is just cover this up with foil and put it in the freezer for about an hour. Just let it harden, and then you can decorate it up. Time to make the burgers. Okay, so for the burgers, when you take it out, add half a cup of flour to it, and you mix that into it, like so. Wow, we're here on the beach. Why the head has to tilt? Not too sure. Come on, Messi. You gotta get your face dusted off. Come on, go to go. Where are you going? To dust off your face. You dusting off your face? Being sarcastic, you're trying that out?
Oh yeah.
Nice. It's beautiful. This is where rich people come to die. Rooftops. Oh, wait. Can you imagine that sunset is coming in on your, like, couch? Yeah, coming in on your life. Put your life through heaven's eyes. Where's that lake I always miss? I didn't miss it, did I?
Yeah, you did. It was on the right to you.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
I was showing my mom it while you were looking on the other side.
I missed it.
Didn't miss it. Doesn't look as cute in the daytime though. Say hi, everybody. Wesley, say hi. Say hi, baby. Oh, baby. Hello, Father.
Hello, Father.
Lord Maria. Dear Rolf,
Stop. Zero.
Stop. Name that movie. Name that movie. Gotta go? Ooh, wee. That's pretty. Okay, let's start up this way, Willen. Saks Fifth Avenue.
North Face.
Oh, look at this playground. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. Uncle Coors.
The Dooney and Burke. Dooney and Burke with the bag from that Dooney and Burke.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I need everybody to be oh shit, I didn't even see them. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so tonight we're gonna be showing you guys simple vegan hacks that every vegan should know. As usual, I'm gonna be doing stuff vlog style because it's a lot easier to do it that way. All of these hacks that I'm showing you guys tonight are made using items that are very cheap. Oatmeal is very cheap, water is very cheap, tofu is very cheap, and garbanzo beans are very cheap. You can get a can of garbanzo beans, a can of lentils. All of these things are super easy to purchase, and so it's just to show you that veganism does not have to be this expensive thing. Okay, so the first hack, I'm going to show you footage of Rocky making really simple but flavorful and hearty lentil gravy.
I have the lentil liquid and all the seasonings. Then you just want kind of slow mix it till it starts mixing with all the other spices. But remember, always turn your stove off
Why do you do that?
so it doesn't burn. You always turn the stove off. And a little bit of that flour, so it doesn't get any chunks.
Need another spoon or something. Yeah, that's fine.
But to give it the more gravy color, I always add ketchup. I'm adding little drops of liquid smoke because I don't want to overdo it.
Okay.
Mix that.
This is the outcome of the lentil gravy. You guys can't smell this, but it smells amazing.
Look at that
and this
thickness too.
And look at, you can see the thickness there. This gravy is amazing, obviously on top of potatoes, but it's super great on top of French fries for a nice vegan poutine, which if you've never had poutine, it's heavenly. And the reason I'm choosing to show you guys lentil gravy instead of maybe mushroom gravy or something like that is because you don't even have to use the lentils. So from one can of lentils you can get essentially 2 items. You can get the lentils to cook with, and you can use the liquid from the lentils to make this thick, delicious vegan gravy. And as you saw, all he did was use the lentil liquid, spices, ketchup, flour, and liquid smoke. So again, very low cost items, and that's how that turned out. I am going to show you how to make oat milk. So all you're gonna need for oat milk is just oats and water. So here is my blender, which we are gonna do a giveaway when we hit 1,500 subscribers, where we're just gonna be giving away one of these blenders. So leave a comment below letting us know which one of these hacks you're definitely gonna be using during this holiday season. All we're gonna do is take about half a cup of oats, put it in the blender, and then add about 1 cup of water. The trick with oat milk is that you can make it as thick and creamy as you want to make it. As you can see here, we've got our oats and our water. All we're gonna do is just go ahead and shake that up. Okay, now it's up to you. If you need to make this thicker, you can make it even thicker, or you can leave it nice and thin. If you're using it to drink like you would with almond milk, all you have to do is just add a little bit of vanilla essence and a little bit of agave, and it'll give that nice creamy taste, pretty much just like almond milk. And it's a lot thicker, and it's most importantly cost effective. This is now instantly a plant-based milk that you can use for any of your Christmas recipes to thicken up, whether it's to thicken up a gravy, whether it's to make an eggnog, anything like that. Oat milk is one of the creamiest milks. You can strain this if you want. What's great about this too is, unlike almond milk, you don't need a cheesecloth, you don't need any complicated process. You can just blend to your heart's content, and again, you can either use it for sweet dishes or for savory dishes. Alright, so that hack is done. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Up next, this hack is for ricotta. Ricotta cheese is one of my favorite cheeses. Of course, you use it for lasagna and all that good stuff. So now I'm going to show you a quick hack for how to make vegan ricotta cheese for your Christmas recipes. here's how quick and easy it is. This broke, don't worry about it. This is Cedar's roasted red pepper hummus. So all you do, we're using extra firm organic tofu from the soya. I'm just gonna use a little section of it just to demonstrate, but obviously you can use more if you need to. And actually using half is a lot. And I got this hack from Hummus Sapien on Instagram. She makes really great recipes. I got this hack from her several years ago when I first became vegan, and it has been totally helpful. So definitely check her out on Instagram when you get a chance. Okay, so I'm using roasted red pepper hummus. Usually I would just use garlic hummus just because I like the garlic flavor for lasagna and stuff. But you can use whichever hummus works best for you. And all you do is you go ahead and you mix it together and then add whatever spices you would normally put in your ricotta cheese. And that's what I say with anything having to do with tofu or soy in general. If you season it the way you would normally season your meat or whatever it is going to give you the same result. And what you want to do is add a little bit of vegan cheese to this and add your favorite spices, and you are good to go. You've got instant vegan ricotta cheese right there, ready to be added to lasagna. And then whatever you don't use from here, you can go ahead, cook that up, and add it to some fried rice to make your vegan eggs.
This is the leftover tofu. Put in the turmeric. This will put in all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder. This is for tomorrow. I'm gonna fry the eggs tomorrow, and voila! You just put in the fridge, and then it's easy. Pop on the stove and make it for breakfast.
He's so suave.
It's 6:31. Wait, is it really?
Ooh, yeah. Okay.